And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your microphone settings on your Acer desktop, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select sound. And then underneath input, you may have to expand the drop down. For that, you should see your microphone inputs listed. Select the one you want to modify the settings for, and then you should be able to go through here and change whatever you want, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.